everyone, welcome to BMR News. I'm Reimi. Today's news is about Christchurch Cathedral. On 22nd February 2011, the Canterbury earthquake of magnitude 6.3 attacked New Zealand. This earthquake took the precious lives of 185 people and Christchurch Cathedral that was symbol of this town. But yesterday, special cathedral was completed. It was made by Shigeru Ban, who is famous Japanese architect. He designed it free of charge and the cathedral was made from paper because he thinks people were not killed by the earthquake but killed by the decay of buildings. I connect to the broadcast.
Thank you, Reimi. After the earthquake in 2011, the symbol of the city is Christchurch Cathedral, which was destroyed and many people died. After that, many architects were participating in the wrong competitions to design a cathedral. The new cathedral is completely built by Japanese architects and repairs the old. The construction of the building is designed to protect it from the earthquakes. So now I'm standing with Minori, who is local in front of the new cathedrals. Well, what do you think about the new cathedral? Because it will be the new symbol of the city.
Yeah, the cathedral will give emotional support to victims, and when people feel bad or need to heal from the past, I hope people go to the cathedral.
Mm-hmm. So, would it attract many people, many travelers?
Mm-hmm. This cathedral is made of paper. A building made of paper is not common.
Wow, so exciting.
Yeah.
Do you think the building can protect people from earthquake?
Yes, the cathedral is a quake-proof building, and it will be a shelter when earthquakes happen.
Mm-hmm. Oh wow, thank you, Minori, for giving your perspective. Now, back to studio, Reimi.
Thank you, Boon. We hope this new landmark makes the victims happy. So that's all news from BMR News. See you soon.